Counseling Psychology, IGNOU MAPC. MPC 23. Here is a brief summary of each chapter from the MPC 0 to 3 Counseling Psychology textbook based on the content. Unit 1, Psychoanalysis Psychodynamic Counseling. Introduction, Overview of Psychodynamic Therapy, focusing on unconscious mind and defenses. Freud and Psychoanalysis, Freud's contributions, theory of personality, and origin of psychodynamics. Meaning of psychodynamics, definitions and key concepts from Freud and Jung. Psychodynamic counseling, influence of past experiences, role of unconscious processes, and principles of counseling. Situations requiring counseling, contexts where counseling is beneficial. Unit 2, Insight and Short-Term Counseling. Introduction, discusses various counseling methods and their applications. Insight counseling, importance of self-knowledge and understanding one's behavior. Psychoanalysis, techniques like free association, dream analysis, and transference. Humanistic and existential approaches, emphasis on personal freedom and goal setting. Short-term counseling, principles, techniques, and suitable situations for brief therapy. Unit 3, Behavioral and Cognitive Approaches. Introduction, Overview of behaviorism and cognitive theories in counseling. Behavioral techniques, applications of conditioning and behavior modification. Cognitive techniques, importance of cognitive restructuring and addressing dysfunctional thoughts. Behavioral cognitive integration, combining behavioral and cognitive strategies for effective counseling. Unit 4, Humanistic Approaches. Introduction, exploration of humanistic psychology and its influence on counseling. Person-centered therapy, principles of Carl Rogers' approach focusing on empathy, congruence, and unconditional positive regard. Gestalt therapy, emphasis on awareness and the present moment. Existential therapy, focus on meaning, choice, and responsibility. Unit 5, Contemporary Trends in Counseling. Introduction, discussion on recent developments and trends in counseling psychology. Multicultural counseling, importance of cultural competence and diversity awareness. Integrative approaches, combining various therapeutic methods for holistic treatment. Technology in counseling, use of digital tools and online platforms in modern counseling practices. Unit 6, Ethical and Legal Aspects of Counseling. Introduction, Overview of ethical principles and legal issues in counseling. Ethical theories and principles, guidelines for ethical decision-making in counseling. Confidentiality and informed consent, importance of maintaining client privacy and obtaining consent. Professional boundaries and competence, ensuring appropriate counselor-client relationships and ongoing professional development. These summaries provide a concise overview of the key topics covered in each chapter of the MPC 0 to 3 textbook. Thank you.